Je vous remercie. La parole est maintenant à Mademoiselle Pachayeva d'Azerbaïdjan. Votre micro n'est pas branché.
Mr. Chairman, dear ladies and gentlemen, first of all, I would like to thank Mr. Kasachov and Mr. Haberg and other speakers for detailed and comprehensive speeches. All speeches stress the special importance of protection of values forming the foundation of Council of Europe. What are these values? Respect to territorial integrity of states, protection of rights of every person, regardless of his religion and nationality. It is clearly stated in the documents of Council of Europe that a state being a member of the organization cannot occupy the territory of another member state. Azerbaijan, 20% of the territory of which are occupied by Armenia, being a member of Council of Europe and facing the problem about 1 million refugees and internal displaced persons as a result of this aggression, expects protection by this organization of own basic principles and taking of tough measures against the transgressors. Because Armenia generally not implementing for resolutions of United Nations Security Council on unconditional withdrawal of the armed Armenian forces from the occupied Azerbaijani territories, ignores the resolution number 1416 adopted by the Parliamentary Assembly of Council of Europe in 2005, calling Armenia to withdraw from the occupied Azerbaijani territories and especially stressing the importance of ensuring of safe and secure return of refugees and internal displaced persons to their homeland. Alongside with that resolution on the status of Azerbaijani, Georgian and Armenian refugees, unambiguously stressing the right of refugees and internal displaced persons to return to their homeland, adopted by the Parliamentary Assembly of Council of Europe, remains unfulfilled up to now. Impunity creates favorable conditions for new crimes. The official Yerevan pursues a policy of illegal settling of Armenians in the occupied Azerbaijani territories, which contradict the international legal norms. Armenians strive to strengthen its status quo in the occupied territories and prevent returning of Azerbaijani refugees back, thus speedily increasing the number of Armenians settled in this region. In 1989, the number of Armenians residing in the Nagorno-Karabakh Autonomous Region constituted 145,000 people. Official Yerevan and separative regime, Armenian regime of Nagorno-Karabakh openly state the implementation of the target program aimed at increasing this number to 300,000 people by 2009. According to different sources, including Armenian ones, during last years, 23,000 people had settled in the occupied Azerbaijani territories in Nagorno-Karabakh region and adjoining area. The population of these regions consisted of Azerbaijanis before the occupation. The majority of settlers are citizens of Armenia. However, Armenians residing in other countries also actively participate in this process and provide their assistance. The cosmic survey of the occupied Azerbaijani territories allows to see illegal settlement of these territories subjected to ethnic purge and placement of numerous military equipment and forces. These cases completely contradict the recommendation of Parliamentary Assembly of Council of Europe to resolve the conflict only in a peaceful manner and can negatively impact the future resolution of the conflict, as returning of refugees and internal displaced persons to their homeland is considered the first and important stage in the direction of conflict resolution. This case only serves to aggravate the situation. In order to prevent this, the Parliamentary Assembly of Council of Europe should use all its pressure to make Armenia fulfill their undertaken obligations. Thanks.